Hello, everyone. Lesley Peters and Andy Peters.
What's up,
here.
y'all?
We are so excited to fly out to Tampa, Florida to spend time with you guys on Thursday morning at 9 a.m. for our 36 Touch workshop. Thanks so much to Tony for inviting us. We're looking forward to spending several hours with you guys walking through how we garner 2 closings from every 12 people in our database.
It's all MREA, right?
All
That's what
MREA.
we're doing.
So last year we closed 305 transactions, and that was worth about $121 million in sales volume, and 80% of that came from our database. So we're going to walk you through our process that we've been using tried and true for the past 10 years, and we've even got some great fresh ideas that we've put into place this January, which has honestly doubled our leads over last January already. So we cannot wait to spend time with you guys.
Yeah, and we're also going to be kind of telling them how we return 14 to 1 on all of our database expenditures. So that's going to be good. We're always looking for positive return on our investment.
Absolutely. So we cannot wait to see you guys Thursday, 9 a.m. in Florida.
Boom.
And it's a snow day in Atlanta today with absolutely no snow. So we can't wait to get to warmer temperatures, and we will see you guys on Thursday.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.